Hey everyone! Ever notice how AI can sometimes describe a photo almost perfectly, but miss the little things? Like you show it a picture of a sunny park and it says, there's a tree and a bench, but forgets the dog chasing a frisbee. That's the problem researchers are tackling with ScaleCap, and it's reshaping how AI sees the world. So here's the thing. AI models that combine images and text, called multimodal models, are incredible. But they're not perfect. They often overlook details or make things up, what we call hallucinations. Imagine an AI looking at a kitchen and saying, a red apple on the counter when there's actually a green one. Or worse, inventing a purple elephant in a room where none exists. ScaleCap solves this by teaching AI to ask better questions. Think of it like a curious kid pointing at a picture and saying, what's that object in the corner? What color is the sky? By prompting the model to dig deeper, it uncovers hidden details. It's like giving the AI a magnifying glass and a checklist, so it doesn't just skim the surface. Here's the magic. ScaleCap uses two clever tricks. First, heuristic question answering. The AI generates its own questions about the image, like what's on the desk? Or what's the background? Then it answers them, slowly building a richer description. Second, contrastive sentence rating. This acts like a fact checker. It compares sentences to spot fake details, like if the AI claims there's a green dinosaur when there's clearly a cat. Take this park image. A regular AI might say, a tree and a bench, ScaleCap. It'll mention the sunny sky, the dog chasing a frisbee, the red ball, even the tree's shadow. It's like the difference between a sketch and a painting. And here's the proof. Researchers tested ScaleCap on 450,000 images. When they trained new AI models on this data, the results blew away old methods. ScaleCap made captions outperformed others on 11 major tests, and even helped AI rebuild images from text, like a magic trick where words turn into pictures. So why does this matter? ScaleCap shows that you don't need massive AI models to get great results. Smaller models with the right guidance can match the performance of giants. It's a smarter, cheaper way to build AI that sees the world more clearly. No purple elephants required. Next time you see an AI description, think, what's missing? Thanks to work like ScaleCap, the future of AI vision is getting a whole lot sharper. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video. Hey everyone! Ever wonder how AI can actually understand what's in a photo? Like really understand it? Today, we're diving into some cutting-edge research that's pushing the boundaries of how computers see and describe the world. Think of it as teaching machines to read images like we do, without just guessing. So what's the big deal? Vision language models, or VLMs, are these AI systems that try to connect what we see with what we say. But here's the problem. They often get confused. Maybe they'll describe a cat as a dog, or miss tiny details like a logo on a shirt. That's where frameworks like Prism and ScaleCap come in. Prism is like a detective for AI. It breaks down a model's abilities into separate pieces, like checking if it's good at spotting objects, understanding relationships between things, or even catching tricky details. By testing these skills individually, researchers can figure out where the model shines and where it needs help. It's like giving your AI a report card. Then there's ScaleCap, which focuses on captions, those little descriptions you see under photos. The goal here isn't just to say there's a man in a suit, it's to dig deeper. What's the suit made of? Is the tie patterned? What's the bed style? ScaleCap uses a team of AI models, one to see the image, another to reason about it, and a third to turn that into a super detailed description. Imagine an AI that could write a 10-page essay about a single photo. But how do they train these models? Let's talk data. The researchers pulled from massive datasets like Share GPT-4v100K and LAION-5B, which are like digital libraries of images and captions. But not just any images. They filtered out low-res photos or ones that were too simple or too complicated. Think of it as curating a museum. Only the most interesting, high-quality pieces make the cut. Here's where it gets cool. They used specific prompts to guide the AI. For example, if the image has a bed, the model gets instructions like, describe the bed's material, color, and any unique features. These prompts act like a roadmap, making sure the AI doesn't miss a single detail. The results? Models that are way better at grounding, linking words to actual visual elements. No more AI saying a dog when it's clearly a cat. And with techniques like XPrompt and Prism, these systems are becoming more reliable, less prone to hallucinations, when AI makes stuff up. But this isn't just about better captions. Researchers are now building models that adapt in real time. Take ADU, which spots unknown objects in the wild, or MMIF engine, which helps AI follow complex instructions in videos. It's like teaching a robot to not just recognize a cup, but also understand it's part of a breakfast scene. The future of multimodal AI isn't just about seeing more, it's about understanding more. And with frameworks like ScaleCap leading the way, we're one step closer to machines that truly see the world as we do. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.